So this pattern calls for a multiple of 3 plus 2. So that means that you would chain 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 until you reach your desired width. And once you're finished, then you would just chain 2. So this is the pattern. This is really easy. It's really relaxing. So what you're going to do is you're going to single crochet in the first chain. I think I made these a little bit too, you don't want to make them too tight, the chains. That way you can, if you like to go into the back, you won't have a problem. So either you can make the chains loose, or you can use a bigger hook, which I don't have at the moment. You can use a bigger hook to make the chains, and they'll make them a little bit looser, and then just use your regular hook. So in the first chain right here, you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 3. This is a really easy foundation row. So you're going to skip 2 chains and the next chain. Okay, so you're going to skip 2 chains and the third. Oh, I said chain 3, right? So chain 3, then skip 2 chains and then do a single crochet. Again, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, and single crochet. So you would do this all across. So here at the end, you should have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. I think I have an extra chain. I should have 3 left because you would, God, am I out of frame? Goodness gracious. You're supposed to have 3 left because you should skip 2. And this last one, you should do a single crochet. So I have an extra chain, which if you have extra chains is fine, because you can just undo it and then just, scoot it over. It's best to have extra chains. You can always fix that instead of needing chains. Because if you're doing a blanket especially and you come across and you're missing chains, then yeah, you have to either shorten your pattern so you can get those extra chains. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. Or redo the whole thing, which I wouldn't do. I would just leave extra chains here and make the blanket a little bit smaller, which is not really that much, depending on how many chains you have left. Okay, so this is the, it's a two and 3 row repeat pattern. So row 2, you're going to chain up 3. And then in the same stitch right here, the same right here, this first stitch, you're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to do a single crochet in this chain 3 space. And here in this single crochet, you're just going to chain 3. Double crochet 3. I don't know why I always. And then single crochet in the next chain 3 space. And then 3 double crochets and then single crochet. And that's row number 2. So just do that. Do your 3 double crochets, single crochet, 3 double crochets, single crochet, all to the end. Okay, so here at the end, then at this one, you're going to do a single crochet. Oh no, not a single crochet. Yes, you're going to do your last single crochet here. Sorry. And then you're going to, here at the turning chain here. Let me see, right here. More or less, you're going to do your last 2 double crochets. Actually, not the turning chain, it's the single crochet below, the one we started out with. So now this is row number 3. You're going to chain up 1, turn, and in this first space do a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, and in the middle of this middle double crochet you're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, another single crochet in the middle of these double crochets, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the middle, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, and then here you're going to skip over this one and just do your single crochet in the very last turning chain right here. And that's row number 3. And that's it. So you start again with row number 2. You chain up 3, turn, and that same right here in this first stitch, another double crochet. And then here you're going to do a single crochet and right here in this first space. And then you're going to do 3 double crochets in the next, right here, this single crochet, single crochet in the next space, and then that's it. That's row 2 and 3. So you just do that. Remember to single crochet in this last space right here, and then you're going to do your 2 double crochets on top of the single crochet right here, and then you start over. So that's the pattern. Nice, easy. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, if you want to change colors, I change colors every 3rd row, but if you're gonna change colors, I would suggest, I did 3, I would suggest changing colors on row number 3. That way, say you do your, here's a single crochet, here's a chain 3, and here's a single crochet. And then you do your chain on your row number 2, and then change it back for row number 3. You see it's the same color. There's your single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. That's how, if you want to change colors, that's how I did it. Not, that's fine. So that's the pattern. Please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.